this is Barrett, Engineering Manager at CorkSport Mazda Performance. We're happy to announce the Performance 80mm catback exhaust for the 2019 Plus Mazda 3 and CX-30. Unlike any other available exhaust on the market today, the CorkSport catback steps up the game with 80mm piping. That's just over 3 inches, future-proofing your turbo Mazda 3 to support over 600 wheel horsepower. This exhaust has been designed and optimized specifically for the turbo models to offer performance and a deep exhaust note that is nearly drone-free in the cabin. However, if you're driving an all-wheel drive non-turbo model, this exhaust will fit your Mazda 3 also. Just note that the exhaust will be very aggressive and loud. So what makes the 80mm catback exhaust special? Well, there's 2 main reasons. First off is the larger piping size. Larger piping creates a deeper exhaust tone and helps the engine flow better, supporting more power down the road as more performance parts are available. Parts like a catted downpipe and upgraded turbo, for example. Second, in order to develop an exhaust system that sounds unique, aggressive, and refined on the outside of the car, but also enjoyable and daily friendly on the inside, we had to develop a unique resonator that provided this. Through trial and error, we found the solution with a dual chamber resonator. The design of this dual chamber resonator allows us to target and cancel both high and low frequencies that would otherwise cause drone. You'll also notice the oval shape. This increased the internal volume of the resonator to help make the dual chamber design work better. Altogether, this makes an aggressive 3-inch exhaust livable for the daily driver. Now let's talk about the Fitment. Like the 63.5mm exhaust, the 80mm catback is available for the Mazda 3 hatchback with Mazda Aero kit, sedan, and CX-30. Speaking of the tips, the 80mm catback gets a larger 100mm or 4-inch tips using our signature slant cut dual wall design. They're fantastic and really fill in the bumper cutouts. Lastly, the CorkSport catback comes with all the necessary installation hardware and gaskets. We provide color step-by-step install instructions and technical support from our CorkSport team here at CSHQ. You can reach us by email, phone, and social. If you have any questions, please give us a call. We'd love to help. So thanks for checking out the CorkSport Performance 80mm catback exhaust for the 2019 and newer Mazda 3 and CX-30. This is Barrett, tuning out.